Hi everyone, welcome to this class. Today we will study page borders. So what is page border and how we can apply it, we will learn in this video. Let us start. To apply page border, we will click on this. It will open a page border dialog box. From in the middle tab or middle option of this tab, we can select these options to apply page border. If we say box, it will apply page border like this in all side of the page. Page border is a type of formatting. It make page attractive. That's why we apply page border. So if you want to remove it, we will click on none. Page border will be removed. Now we can do various customization on it. Like if I selected box, and if you want to change line style, we can change line style like this. And if you want to change line thickness, we can change line thickness, as well as we can change line color also. Beside this, in shadowed, if I took this solid line and if I say shadowed, and here I took a line, thicker line, so a shadow will be shown like this. It is a shadow. We can look here on right side and bottom side, a shadow will be shown. So this is a shadowed border. If we say 3D, for 3D we have to take this type of border, because with this type of border we can look 3D format properly. With other type of line, 3D border format will not show properly. That will be same like normal borders. So it is a 3D border, 3D border, which look something like this. In case of customize, we can change every side of borders. Like if I say it is first side, in second side I want to keep such type of border, in third side like this, in another side like this. So we can customize border with the help of this feature. So these are the various type of borders that we can apply. Beside this, here are some predefined borders like this we can apply on the document. Like this. Now one thing is the apply to, on which section or where we want to apply page border. For this, first of all, I will press enter up to few pages, and then we can look here. These are 3 pages. Now if we click on page border and we select a page border, or we can select a page border like this, and we say apply a whole document, then this page border will be applicable to whole document. But if we say first page only, then page border will apply on first page, rest of the pages will remain unchanged. But if we say first for this section all except first page, then in all pages will be page border, but first page will be non-bordered. So we can do it with the help of this option. And this section, for section we have to create first section in our document. Generally when we create a file, it contain only one section. So to create multiple section, we will do like this. Suppose I put my cursor over here and go to break, and I say next page section break. So a section break has been created over here. We can look section break with the help of this formatting marks button. We can look here, it is section break. Now if I click my I put my cursor over here and I say insert page border, and I say this section only, in that case page border will applicable to this section only. And if I put my cursor here, go to page border, and I say this type of border, this section only, in this case in second section second page border will be applicable. So we can apply different page border in different section. If we have 4 pages and we want to apply 4 type of border in 4 pages, then all these 4 pages we have to divide in 4 sections. So this is the one of the property that we can apply. If you normally if you want to remove all these page border will be removed. One more thing is also over here. If we want to close this formatting marks, either we will click on it or we can press Ctrl Shift star which is present under the special key. It is the shortcut key of Ctrl plus star. Now one thing is this, if we apply page border like this, and if we want to apply horizontal line also, like here is some text. After this text I want to apply horizontal line, I will click on it, horizontal line, and we can select horizontal line like this. We can do some formatting with this also, like I will double click on it. I can change its color like this. I can change its thickness like this, or can change thickness with the help of this also, like this. We can change its width also like this, or from here we can change width also. We can change its position also. Double click on it, say left align, it will be aligned to the left. Right align will bring it right side, and center align will bring it at center. So these are the customization that we can do with horizontal line, but this type of customization is not possible with all type of line. If we took another line, this picture line, so customization of this picture to change color is not possible. Yet we can change its size, its width and its alignment, but we cannot change its color because it is a picture, not a solid line. So these are the customization, or these are the features that we can apply on horizontal line. So this is our topic, page border, that we cover in this video. I hope all things will be clear to you, but still then if you have some problem or something left to explain, you can ask me through comment, or if you have any query, you can ask me through comment. And if this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel to watch or to learn this topic like this. Thanks for watching.